What's going on, everybody? It is Logan with Socialverse. So today I'm going to show you inside of the SV SEO Manager and how you can use it. Just a quick demo. Here we have it. So we're essentially on the dashboard page, and this is just going to show you everything that's going on all in one page, pretty much pulling in each different element of the SV SEO Manager all in one centralized and local place for you to view all the information. So essentially you can see your keyword rankings, all your average keyword rankings. Cool thing here is it actually shows you the position that you're at. So this one shows, hey, you were at previously you were at position 6 and now you're at 5, or previously you were at 15 and now you're at 10. So you've moved up. So it shows you all these different analytics going on your keywords, the search volume, the difficulty, your keyword ranking dates based on where your average position was on search engines, essentially during that time period. Then it shows you your website traffic, your website visits, your domain authority, and more. The cool part is you can actually customize this area, but I don't want to spend too much time on that. So let's go ahead and let's run up. Next, we're going to jump into the strategy, the keyword strategy. Essentially, you can build a strategy around all the keywords for your essential business. So this one is mobile detailing. So we can obviously find different keywords. We can see what our competitors are doing. We can see the search volume and the difficulty on what it would be and how difficult it would be to rank for that. Just get more keyword ideas. We can see what our competitors are using and more. We can map those keywords to pages on our website. We can get a content strategy, which essentially means it's going to go ahead and inside of the SV SEO Manager, it's going to allow you to discover and write new blog posts or content ideas based on what the algorithm thinks is going to perform best and get you the most SEO results. So you can come in here and do that. Cool part is you can actually have AI generate you blog post into the content scrapboard, and then going in and having that AI writer inside of the SV SEO Manager create those blog posts for you. You can see what your competitors are obviously doing and track them. And then actions. So this is the big thing inside of the SV SEO Manager is engine actions. So essentially this tells us, hey, we've got this error going on, or this is something that you need to fix, or this is an action that you need to take to start getting better SEO results. So this is exactly what you can do inside of the SV SEO Manager with the engine action tool. And the best part is it tells you what you need to do, why it's important, and how to do it. Once you've done it, you can come in here and complete the action, and you can essentially mark it off your list. And then essentially it's just going to be going down the list, completing all of these actions. And that's what the software is telling you, hey, this is what you need to do. And this is a starting point for what you should be doing for your website or your clients' websites to essentially get better search engine results. So you can come through. Once again, it tells you what you need to do, how to do it, and why it's important. So that's a very cool feature. You can actually manage your local Google business profile directly, our reviews. You can respond to those reviews, create posts, local actions for Google business profile, your insights, your rankings, and more. You can actually come in here and build backlinks between other people on the internet where they will reach out to you and say, hey, you want to trade backlinks, or you want to trade this product, or vice versa. So you can actually do that in here. You can obviously come in and see all of your reporting. So you can come inside of the SV SEO Manager and see all their traffics, your keywords, and you can build full reports, whether it's automated or manually, based on SEO reports that you can use for your website or any website that you've got the SV SEO Manager hooked up to. So you can come in here and see all of your analytics and traffic. You can actually connect to your Google Search Console, so we can pull this data directly in. It shows you top referrals, top cities, top countries, top devices. And best part is you can come in here and edit and look at all this data on different scale points. But overall, that is the basis of the SV SEO Manager. But the number one thing about the SV SEO Manager is the SEO Academy. So yes, you can actually get full 24/7 access to the SEO Academy. So you pretty much can learn everything that you need to do, why you're doing it, how to do it, and what SEO even is. So that is the biggest benefit of using the SV SEO Manager. If you have any questions, please let us know.